costs to repair. We don't want that. And this time, I think we might get instead. As far as transportation, we've seen closures of roadways along the water. We can expect more. The FDR is either open or closed, depending on whether that part is flooded. You should assume that roads that go along the water are going to have big problems, and stay to those roads that are on higher ground, more inland. In addition to the bridge and tunnel closures that have already been announced, the East River bridges, the Brooklyn, Manhattan, Williamsburg, and Ed Koch-Queensboro Bridge will close at 7 p.m. tonight. After 7 p.m., only emergency vehicles will be permitted on those bridges. And the city has something like 1,400 bridges, but most of the others are low bridges and don't really figure in terms of having any extra exposure to the wind. As you may know, there is a partially collapsed crane atop a building on West 57th Street. In order to keep residents safe, all buildings on the north and south sides of 57th Street between 6th and 7th Avenues, and all exposed buildings on 56th Street between 6th and 7th Avenues have been evacuated. One was a large hotel, but the hotel industry has found spaces for the people there.